Hello everybody, what's going on? So today it's going to be a tutorial. I'm going to explain about the files statement that you can actually do to some things in the files. So firstly, you need a two-dimension array you need to make before. Array, it's going to hold any name. Here, like 111. Any number of values, doesn't matter. Now the files statement, here's how it works. You type up files. Okay, this is a command. And then after typing up files, you want to type up, oh, I totally forgot. You want to give it a path for like C, and then users, whatever. You give it a path. Okay, here's gonna be a path. Then the optional thing right over here is a file name. So if you want just one type, you can say .txt, like all the txt files only. It's not necessary. And then you give the array name, array string, just like this, or without the second parenthesis, it doesn't matter. Okay, what it does is that it'll start by saying array string value 0 from here and 0 from there is going to be equal to a string containing the number of the files found. So like it's going to be 10. It's going to be like 10. And also it's going to say array string starting with 1 over here, and 0 is going to be the first file name for the first file, and an array string like 210 is equal to the name for the second file, and it will automatically do all this. So there's a function called value. I think I've told about it. It will change a string into a number if the containing is a number. So in this way, if we do a file statement, we'll get 0.0 and we'll get the number of the files. Then we can make a for I loop, type up all the files. So if you would make a file dialog, and then we'll say open a file. The type is all types, and then file name string. Okay, so right over here, what we're going to do is we're going to type up files, and then file, oops, I want to pause the video, I'm just coming back. Okay, so we'll type up files, file name string, which is going to be the whole path. So we don't want to actually take a specific file, we just want a path. So we'll type up save word. Save. Okay. So we're gonna give it a place, which is file name, and then the array is gonna be array string. Don't worry if you've dimensioned the array to hold on less values than all the files, it's gonna automatically be also resized. So we'll make for I equals 1 to the value function of array string element number 0 and 0. Okay, and then during this loop we'll print all the file names. We'll print array string 1 from here and 0 from there. Sorry, this should be I. And then we'll make next. Also, if you know what's here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 for the file. Then 1 is going to be the size for it, as I remember. I'm going to just open up the help file. Then I'm going to search for files. Here is it. So as you can see, firstly, 0 by 0 string specifying the quantity of files found, as I told you. 0 here, and then 1 from specifying the quantity of subdirectories found. 02 the drive, and 03 the path. So here, starting with 1, and the file name 0, as I told you, 1 size, 2 the date and the timestamp. So this is how it works. Let's say plus that is plus array string my from here, bytes size, last time stamped, stamp date, and time is plus array value I and 2. So this might be very useful later on with some examples. So let's actually start by going to this as an example. What the hell happened? I'm lagging. Oh! Hi! Here's pretty much everything. So as you can see, it's going to give you .ini, that is a byte size, stamp date, and time is blah 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 blah. So that was pretty much everything for this tutorial. Pretty simple. We'll use this statement later on in some things. Maybe in the next tutorial I'll show you some more things you can do with them, like the name and the code. I think I will show you this. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and bye.